a cradle of calm, where waters dream, lies Rapperswil, kissed by a soft sunbeam. Her rooftops blush in morning light, while sails drift by in silent flight. The lake, a mirror of endless blue, cradles a secret the old wind knew. There sleeps Ufenau, serene and wise, wrapped in green under open skies. Ancient stones and sacred grace, echo prayers time can't erase. A chapel's whisper, a tree's old tale, of monks and stars and passing sails. Between the hills and gentle shore, this land gives peace, and asks no more. A moment here, the world stands still, in timeless Ufenau, and sweet Rapperswil.